tell that it's not cheaply made. That is a good solid metal. Opening this, of course, looking at the instructions, easy. You can't get any simpler than that. Bring it around it. Oh, got caught on the camera. So I have my camera, or I should say my light, on like an 8. Pretty powerful modeling light. The Velcro is I'm very impressed. You could tell it's good stitching, no problems. Everything sticks with no problem. The grid that I had on there earlier, I mean, it's just, can't get any simpler than that. Of course, I'm not going to fix all that. You get it. I am a portrait photographer, so for the price, because I paid, East Texas coming out, paid $85 for it. Cannot beat the quality. Easy to assemble. I mean, that's hard to pull down. So for me, yeah, that's some good Velcro. Almost nothing came damaged. Everything, the stitching and all that looks pretty solid. I think this is a great softbox for the price. I will definitely be ordering again.